Hello, my name is Aparicio. I am policeman. I live and work in the city of Grabando. I am 20 years old. My favorite food is rice, white chicken. I live in Oxford, and my days are rest. I usually enjoy the countryside and I travel. I live in shore of News Benfast. My favorite program is National Geographic. My mother is Marta Cecilia Carreño. She is of short stature. She has short hair, brown eyes. She is a housewife. My father is Mauricio Aparicio. He is tall with dark skin. He has 50 years old. He is a farmer and he lives in Paramo, Santander. I have six brothers. My brother is Luis Norbay Carreño. He is dark and tall. He is he is 33 years old. He is a farmer. He has lived Paramo, Santander. My sister is Jenny Herrera. Is a nursing assistant. She lives in San Gil, Santander. She has 28 years old. She has green eyes. My sister, Lady Diana Aparicio. She is an assistant dentist. I like to ride bicycle. She has 26 years old. I live in, in San Gil, Santander. My sister is Aura, Mayra, and Nicole. They are still small. They are studying at the school. They are beautiful and very affectionate. We take sister. We love elves outside and their favorite shop at cartoon.